Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of Remitly app. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps. On above you will search about Remitly app and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about Remitly app and then you can update your app if you find the update here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.